Welcome to ClubExpress. We make it easy to create, manage, and sustain your club or association. In this demo, learn how to use ClubExpress to add volunteering slots to your volunteering opportunity where members can sign up. Let's get started. Before adding volunteering slots, you'll first need to build your volunteering opportunity. Check out our Adding a Volunteering Opportunity video to learn how. When you're ready to add volunteering slots, find your volunteering opportunity. Choose the calendar icon in the Maintain column to the right of the opportunity that you want to add slots to. From the Volunteering Slot Administration page, choose the Add Slots button. Complete each field of the Add Edit Volunteering Slot form to build your slot. Choose the Save button when you're finished. To add more slots, choose the clipboard icon in the Maintain column to the right of the new slot. This will copy the slot, allowing you to only edit the fields that are different in additional slots. Slots will be added to your volunteering opportunity in the order that you add them. If you want to change the slot order, choose the Display Sequence button. This will allow you to drag and drop the slots in the order that you prefer. Once you've added all of the slots, your volunteering opportunity is complete and ready for volunteers. Go to the volunteering opportunity from your website's menu to see the new opportunity as it will show up to your members. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.